Hi, my name's Chip. Welcome to Sunshine Helicopters, located here in Kissimmee, Florida on 192 mile marker 11. We welcome tourists and locals to ride in a helicopter for your very first time. We'll take you to see Disney, Universal, all the water parks and the attractions here in Orlando. Bring your friends, bring your family, and share the adventure here at Sunshine Helicopters. Rides ranging from $20 to $150. Come and visit your vacation or just time to kill during the day at Sunshine Helicopters. Visit Sunshine Helicopters at www.sunshineheli.com. Call us at 407-390-0175. Sunshine Helicopters welcomes you.